Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Bitcoin to PayPal without paying any exchange fees. As you enter the main platform, select Bitcoin and PayPal, type in the desired amount, then you can click on Exchange to head to the next step. On the second step, you need to enter your PayPal account and your email address. Bear in mind that your phone number is optional. However, there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. You can stay ahead of the latest deals and offers. Click on the Exchange button to head to the third step. At this point, you can see your transaction details, how much you send and how much you receive. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Exchange to head to the fourth step. At this stage, you have all the information regarding your transaction. Please dedicate some time to review the information as well as our terms of service. You can see your order status and you will have a track ID. Down below, you have HiExchange Bitcoin wallet address. This is the address you need to send your Bitcoin to. Remember that when the transaction is complete, you need to upload a screenshot from your wallet. Click on I agree to terms. You can also read our terms of service by clicking on terms. And click on pay order when you have made the Bitcoin payment to the HiExchange wallet address. You will have your track ID once again. And please dedicate some time to complete our survey. This will help us with your exchange experience in the future.